Leonardo AI versus Midjourney. Leonardo AI versus Midjourney. Leonardo AI focuses on controllable asset and game art creation, while Midjourney emphasizes open-ended artistic image generation from text prompts. A simple way to think about it: Leonardo AI is like a disciplined factory that can repeatedly produce consistent, tweakable game assets, while Midjourney is more like a highly imaginative artist who surprises you with visually striking, stylized scenes. Similar to prompt engineering, your wording matters in both, but Leonardo leans towards structured pipelines, and Midjourney leans toward exploratory creativity. In practice, a game studio might use Leonardo AI to generate consistent character skins, weapons, and UI icons that match a strict style guide, while turning to Midjourney to explore mood boards, key art, or cinematic concept scenes that set the overall visual tone of the world. This distinction matters because teams choosing between Leonardo AI and Midjourney are really choosing between structured, repeatable asset pipelines and exploratory visual ideation. So picking the right tool affects consistency, iteration speed, and how easily AI art fits into your broader production workflow. Leonardo AI versus Midjourney.